Ever wondered if you can check in a cardboard box as luggage on your next flight? Yep, you heard that right. It may not be the first thing that comes to mind, but it could be the packing hack you need. The short and simple answer? Yes, you can definitely check in a cardboard box just like a suitcase. Many travelers do it, especially those moving items or on long-haul trips. But there are a few important things you need to know before you pack. Just like any other checked luggage, your cardboard box must meet the airline size and weight restrictions. The standard limit for most airlines is 62 linear inches, so that's the total of the length, width, and height, and it usually has to weigh 50 pounds or less. If your box is larger or heavier, you might get hit with oversized baggage fees, and trust me, no one wants that surprise at the airport. So make sure to measure and weigh it before you leave. Now, while a cardboard box might work for your trip, it's not exactly built like a tank. If you're packing fragile items, think electronics, glass, or anything precious, it's better to use a suitcase or even a heavy-duty protective case. Cardboard boxes don't provide much cushion or protection. But if you decide to go for the box, you'll want to make sure it's secure. Start by reinforcing the bottom, since that's where all the weight sits. Add extra padding to the corners and sides, and don't forget to tape everything: the flaps, the joints, the corners. Then, wrap it all up with plastic to keep it safe from water or spills. Cardboard boxes can actually be pretty convenient. They're light, easy to stack, and are a great option if you have awkwardly shaped or bulky items that won't fit in a standard suitcase. But here's the deal: always check with your airline ahead of time. Some airlines might have specific rules about cardboard boxes, especially for international flights. And sometimes, they'll charge a fee just because it's a box. If everything checks out, your box will be treated like any other piece of luggage and loaded into the cargo hold. Just make sure it's packed tight to avoid any mishaps mid-flight. Don't want the hassle of finding and typing up a box yourself? Companies like U-Haul actually sell luggage-style cardboard boxes that come with handles and meet airline carry-on requirements. Super convenient. So next time you're running out of suitcase space or need a quick, budget-friendly packing option, don't hesitate to grab a cardboard box. It might just save your trip. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. See you on your next adventure.